Bunina abafana bayafana emhlabeni uthi uqoma lo onehluthu avela afane nalogundi brushi abafana bayafana emhlabeni ngicela ukuxoxela indaba uthi uqoma lo oshaya ikhindi za John Cena avela afane nalo fako wakiki abafana bayafana emhlabeni ngithi mina uthi uqoma lo oshaya ikhindi za John Cena avela afane nalo oshaya ikhindi zasebhisho wakiki
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend on a lady appearing ngemva ukuthi announce breakup yakhe namawelele, so washo ukuthi mawelele chirerone ahe with this other girl, so nje washo ukuthi futhi bahlukene. So people were dragging umawelele for using unalady ukuthi adume bene ingoma aledumile. So people were just saying ukuthi vele akaka sometimes from the beginning bekaloku user now he's showing his true colors now that so bona so dumile bantu sebayamade, so bayasho nje cha umjida nje watikhomba ukuthi akakase amthanze ugele. So when live naye umawelele washo ukuthi unaledi ukhuluma amanga, hey bona they had a mutual agreement yokuthi bahlukane nalo lakhuluma kunaledi akuseliciniso, but abantu abathembele abafuna ukuthemba kona because batiduphunga or that's the word that he used ukuthi because bantu batiduphunga. And people are saying ukuthi ayibo wena mfana ubita abani ngetiduphunga wena sibadzala kangaka wena utosibita ngetiduphunga ngenzaba ngathi nawe unobuskoti maphumanyana uyathi ukuthi singakhansela as in like no thing yakwati lokho. So he was saying nje ukuthi yena he won't explain anything, he won't say anything, akafuni ukukhuluma lutho, akaphikisi lutho, but into la isho njena ukuthi bantu they should believe what they wanna believe. If ba believe analedi then fine, uthi futhi yena ngeke aza forced ukuthi abe nanaledi, because at the end of the day kulimala bona kule relationship. Why kufanele babe happy ayibantwini batende ngazi ukuthi balove idavi bayathandzana ngoba babona banhle kuma pictures, but ngaphakathi babe bangekho happy. Take a loudspeaker or any lady agago departure. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.